Hi everyone, Tony here. Do you have a sluggish computer? Maybe an error that's driving you absolutely batty? What if I told you that you could diagnose it yourself for free? That's right, free. This video will change the way you deal with your computer problems. In this video, I'm going to give you a prompt to use in Gemini that may just eliminate the need to take your device to be repaired. Open up Gemini, log in if you're not already logged in, go to the chat tab and enter this exact prompt. Your role is to act as an IT technician. You will instruct me how to resolve my technical problems. My technical skill level is novice. Keep explanation simple and easy to follow. And then submit it. See that? We already got an answer. So got it, loud and clear. Consider me your go-to IT technician. I know tech issues can be incredibly frustrating, but we will tackle them together step by step. I'll completely skip the confusing tech jargon and keep every explanation simple, direct, and easy to follow. Whenever you're ready, tell me what's acting up or what you're trying to set up, and we'll get it sorted out. Gemini is now locked into its role, and it knows not to throw a bunch of confusing lingo at you. Now, let's give it a real-world problem. Let's type in, my Windows computer is running incredibly slow and freezing when I try to open my web browser. Look at how it breaks this down. Instead of telling you to dig into complicated system settings, it gives you simple, actionable steps. It suggests restarting, close sneaky background programs, clear your browser's cluttered memory, and it also makes the suggestion to try the reset first. It suggests restarting the computer first, which fixes about 80% of tech problems anyway. Then it walks you through clearing your browser's history in plain English. The best part about using Gemini as your personal IT tech is that if you don't understand a step, you could just talk back to it. You could literally type, I don't understand step 2. Click submit. And that's it. That's completely okay. And it explains that it can look a bit intimidating. And then it'll give you another easier route to perform the task that it gave you the first time. You could also type in, for the second one, something like, can you explain exactly how to find that Windows logo button? Like here, but it doesn't matter what you type. It'll tell you what response is more helpful. So now you have a choice of choice A or you have choice B. Choice B will show you in text, so let's choose choice A. And it's going to show you on the keyboard where it is. This response is more helpful. Now you have the image, so you could click it, and here you go. It's going to show you exactly where it is. And there it is again. If you find that a lot more helpful, that's all you have to do. It will adjust to your questions. Just a quick safety note, always create a restore point or back up your important files before making any big changes. Use your common sense. If a step feels too complicated, it's okay to ask for a hand. So give this IT prompt a try the next time your PC or your phone acts up. Let me know in the comments if it saved you a trip to the repair shop. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical, everyday tech tutorials. I'm Tony. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.